When people think about real estate, the statement in real estate is location, location, location. In the cloud, it's very similar. It's security, security, and security. And what we're here to say at SoftLayer is you can move your data to the cloud without losing the control and the transparency of knowing where your data is all the time. The first thing that we do is we allow you to use dedicated bare metal servers or dedicated servers with a hypervisor. And the benefit of that is that you don't have to trust that the hypervisor is secure. You don't have to trust that there are not vulnerabilities in the hypervisor, because the only person running on that server is you. In many of our competitors' clouds, there's only one network layer. But in the SoftLayer environment, we actually have two networks. We have a public-facing network and a private-facing network. In the case of those three-tier networks, you may want your web servers on the public-facing cloud because constituents and citizens are going to have access to it. But almost in no circumstance do you want the database servers on the public network. If a federal customer wants to build a highly available environment, a disaster recovery environment, they can use SoftLayer's private network to move their data, and they're not moving that data over the internet like many of our competitors would require them to do. And then the last thing that we do is we offer this capability called a trusted platform module. This is an encryption module that sits on the motherboard of the server, and it allows us to build a prescription for the workload that runs on top of that server. Should anything change in that workload, this trusted platform module can block that workload to operate. Things like dedicated bare metal servers, private networking, wide area network, trusted platform modules, bring your own hypervisor. All of these things reduce the number of threat vectors that can attack an environment and make SoftLayer a more secure environment. And when federal customers think about the cloud, they rank security as the #1 priority, and SoftLayer really is the answer.